going on, guys? Came out here after a good rainstorm this morning and just gonna try to get ourselves some golf course bass. Maybe even a carp if we can find a carp or something. Hey, there we go. Hey, bass on the fly. Hey, nice. This was one of those ghetto baby bass flies that I tied. It wasn't one of the better ones. It was one of the really, really gnarly ones. It didn't turn out too well. He took the tail off of it. There's a little golf course bass for you guys on the fly. So it does work, confirmed. I just need to tie it in a more quality way than what I was doing before. Get this fish in there. Come on, buddy. Oh, man. Nice. This was on that purple woolly bugger that we went over a couple weeks ago. Sweet. Alright. He's been out of the water long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and get him back in. Alright, buddy. I'll see you later, man. So that was on the purple white woolly bugger that we tied like a week ago. That one felt good. I'm still got my eye on these big ones in the corner. I tied some like frog poppers today off some foam that I got out of like a photography case. Basically, you can like form it to your camera. It works really good for flies, so I think I'm gonna try it. There is some weeds over where those bass were hanging out. Maybe I can get one on a frog imitation. We'll see. I'm not giving up yet. Sight casted this bass on a woolly. Oh, he's a good one too. Oh yeah, man, I love this. I love golf course fishing, man. Whoo, baby. All right, all right, all right. Yeah. All right, buddy. Got this nice bass on the sight cast. He's a good fellow too. Look at him. Number 3. Oh, it feels so good to catch fish on the fly like this again. Let's get him back in the water. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Nothing like sight casting bass on a golf course. There is no one here, and I had an employee drive by, and they seemed completely cool with me fishing here, so I'll definitely be back. I don't know why I haven't done this more often. There's so many golf courses where I live, it's ridiculous. Alright, anglers, I'm gonna head back home. Got 3 bass on the fly. Felt really good just cruising the golf course. No one's really out here, so I had it all to myself. So leave a comment down below if you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and the bell if you haven't done that already. And stay tuned for the next time I see you guys. TexasRigged out.